With the aim to solve security wahala for the area, the Uhumwonde local government Chairmo don call for one security meeting where dem bring together omoge people like security officers, community leaders and councillors. This meeting shele for Eho, wey be the local government council headquarters. Our Tori person in Osa-Iredia report say the local government Chairmo Honorable Benjamin Osa-Iredia talk say in goal na to make sure say the people of Uhumwonde go feel safe for their homes and communities. In talk say the meeting na the first time dem dey gather like this and say the presence of security people and community leaders help give them chance to identify security problems for different areas and come up with better ways to solve them.
Okay, today we hold peace and security meeting for Uhumwonde local government. We call on stakeholders security meeting for Uhumwonde local government today, where we can invite all the security agencies within the local government, the police, the army, the civil defense, even go reach road safety and others. May they come follow us talk on security matters for Uhumwonde local government, so that we go fit dey secure our people in every part of the local government. We also invite other stakeholders like the councillors from all the wards for the local government. May they come see tell us the challenges wey they face for their various area, so that the security agencies go here and then we go fashion out ways wey we will fit dey secure our people.
Honorable Gomez Nessi, wey be the secretary of Uhumwonde local government, for in talk yarn say the gathering na to discuss important security matter and find way to solve them. Say in believe say with the plans they've done put in place, the people of Uhumwonde go fit sleep well as them sabi say their safety dey secure.
We have our monthly security meeting to tackle the security challenges of the local government. Due to the happenings in the local government, there was need for us to have a security meeting to look into the issues happening in the local government. The chairman, being the security conscious person, that security is his priorities, he calls for a security meeting for all the security agencies to come together to see for the way forward for the local government, to beef up the security for the local government. That's what we had today. I think after this meeting going forward, Uhumwonde security architecture will be beefed up and tight going forward.
The meeting end with everybody promising to work together to fix security wahala, where it show the local government commitment to protect life and properties for Uhumwonde. Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Uhumwonde local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesale, TMC TV News.